Imagine if learning could be as addictive as scrolling through your favorite social media. Well, it can be, and we are going to show you how. Learning doesn't have to be dull or unwanted. It can be interactive, engaging, and yes, even addictive. You might be thinking, but education can never be like my favorite Instagram page. But we beg to differ. To make learning addictive, we need to first understand what makes social media so addictive. Social media offers instant gratification. We post a picture, get likes, comments, shares. It's an instant cycle of reward. Now, imagine if learning could offer the same instant gratification. How do we achieve this? Through gamification. Gamification makes learning an interactive experience. It's like playing a game while you learn. It's not just about points or badges. It's about setting achievable goals, just like completing a level in a game. And just like on social media, the learning experience should also be social. Learning shouldn't be a solitary activity. By fostering a community, learners can interact, discuss, and help each other. This social aspect also holds learners accountable, making them more likely to stick to their learning goals. Next, let's talk about convenience. Social media is always at our fingertips, and so should learning be. Make learning resources readily available. Use mobile applications or websites that can be accessed anytime, anywhere. As with social media, content is key. Delivering engaging content is crucial to making learning addictive. This means not just textbooks or lectures, but videos, podcasts, interactive quizzes, content that learners can interact with. And just like social media algorithms suggest content based on our interests, learning should be personalized. By tailoring content to individual learning styles and interests, learners are more likely to engage with the content. Remember, the key to addictive learning is engagement. It's about making learners want to learn. Learner feedback is also important. It helps improve and shape the learning experience to better suit their needs. Use social media platforms to gather feedback and facilitate discussions about the learning process. Another thing that keeps us on our social media is the constant updates. Similarly, learning should be a continuous process. New content should be added regularly to keep learners intrigued and coming back for more. Also, learning should be flexible. Just like we can scroll through social media at our own pace, learning should also allow for self-paced progress. Next, it's important to make the learning journey visible. Just like we love to share our achievements on social media, learners should be able to showcase their learning progress. Now, while all these elements are important, they need to be balanced well. Too much of anything can make learning overwhelming. Remember that building a habit takes time. Don't expect learning to become addictive overnight. But with persistent effort and the right approach, learning can indeed become as addictive as your favorite social media. Because at the end of the day, what's more fulfilling than gaining knowledge? Yes, scrolling through social media can be fun, but imagine if that time was spent learning something new. Not only would you be enhancing your skills and knowledge, but you would also be making better use of your time. Why not give it a try? Turn learning into your new social media addiction. And remember, the goal isn't just to make learning addictive, but to make it enjoyable and rewarding. Make learning fun, interactive, social, and yes, addictive to yourself. Because with the right approach, learning doesn't have to be a chore. It can be something you look forward to. Next time you reach for your phone, why not learn something new instead of scrolling endlessly? And who knows, you might just find that learning is your new favorite scrolling activity. Learning is not just about gaining knowledge, it's about enjoying the process. Because the more addictive learning becomes, the more knowledge we gain, and the more we grow as individuals. And isn't that what life's all about? Growing, learning, and enjoying the process. From bottom of our heart, thank you for joining us today. Subscribe for more interesting videos. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make. See you in the next video. Take care.